Home Remedies presents What is a salt water flush and why do it? Hi guys, good day to all my viewers. Hope you all are in good health. I'm Rabia and in today's video I will tell you about a simple salt water flush to cleanse your colon, treat chronic constipation and help detox your body. Drinking salt and warm water has a laxative effect. So I recommend to watch the video till the end to get full information, and without any more wait, let's start. Salt water flushes are gaining popularity to relieve symptoms of constipation, bloating, or what some describe as toxic physical symptoms. In most cases, saltwater flushes are relatively safe, but this is not true for everyone. Those with high blood pressure, digestive issues, kidney or heart disease should avoid saline flushes and colon cleanses. How to do a saltwater flush? A common saltwater flush recipe involves mixing non-iodized salt with water. The procedure for a saltwater flush is: dissolve 2 teaspoons of non-iodized sea salt, such as pink Himalayan sea salt, in 1 quart 4 cups of warm water. Add lemon juice to improve the taste if desired. Drink the mixture as quickly as possible on an empty stomach. When to do it? For best results and for convenience, make sure you do your saltwater flush first thing in the morning before eating and ideally before drinking any coffees or tea. If you have to do it later in the day, then give your body at least 2 hours from the last time you ate. If you liked the video and found it informative and helpful, click the like button and subscribe to my channel for new videos daily. Don't forget to press the bell icon to be notified whenever I publish a new video. Share on your social networks to help others benefit from it too. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.